want to color a cat, first of all, we prepare our crayon first, and then piece of tissue or paper for our hand. First, our cat doesn't have any eyes, so we have to draw the eyes first. We can decide first what kind of eyes that we want to draw for both of our cats. We also decide the color of our cats and the pattern of our cats. Make sure to blend our colors to make it more soft. And don't forget, when we blend our color, we call it gradations. Make sure to put tissue or paper under our hand when we color, so it keeps our picture and drawing clean. When we color and we doesn't have any more darker color, we can add a little bit more black, and we mix it with the color that we already have, which is gray, so it will become dark gray. And if we want to be lighter, we just need to add more white at the place that we want to be lighter or highlight. So that the table doesn't get dirty, we can put paper as an additional base. And another tissue to save our paper from dirt. Make sure we color with clean line. Color with patience and make sure no more white get left behind, except for the clouds. return our crayon to the place. If you feel hard to blend the color, just make it by round. So we blend the color by rounding our crayon. After finished with coloring, we clean up our working place, including all paper and crayon. Now we prepare a pencil and start to retrace all of our lines to make it more vivid. Like this fish. A funny result. Because this is a crayon, when we want to keep it, we have to add a piece of paper at the top of our picture. And now the most important things that we have to do is clean up our table. Not least, we have to wash our hand, scrub it, add soap, make it bubble, and clean it with water until no more bubble and crayon in our hand. Pause this video, print and color it. Thanks for watching, don't forget to like and subscribe.